Nā mihi mahana ki a koutou katoa. Ko Huji tōku maunga no toki o hapani ahau. E rima tau ki muri ka neke ki whakatāne Aotearoa, ko Akino Smith tōku ingoa, ko Aute kai whakahaere ratonga umanga I Ngāti Awa Group Holdings Limited. I am honoured to serve Ngāti Awa Group Holdings Limited as your Corporate Services Manager. As someone who isn't from Aotearoa originally, I feel grateful for the chance to contribute to the growth and success of this iwi. My role is to support you, NAGHL, and the subsidiaries by overseeing areas like human resources, IT, marketing, health and safety, and communications, making sure we stay efficient and focused on our collective goals. Part of my job is to ensure we're not just meeting today's needs, but also preparing for the future. It's about creating a work environment where everyone can grow and thrive. That's why I'm passionate about investing in people, your skills, your talents, your leaderships, because I know that together you are the future of Ngāti Awa. For my team, the goal is simple: to create a safe, supportive and creative environment where you can work together, learn from each other and grow both professionally and personally. We are committed to building a culture where everyone feels included and empowered to do their best mahi. We're here to support you meet future challenges head on, while also making sure what we do today is sustainable for tomorrow. By working closely together, we make sure everything we do every day helps us move closer to our bigger goals. By focusing on our development and how we operate, we're supporting Ngāti Awa's growth. It's about relationships, values, and making sure you have what you need to succeed now and in the future. I strongly believe that together we can build a meaningful, sustainable future for Ngāti Awa. It's an exciting journey, and I'm honoured to be part of it with you all. Nō reira, tēnā koutou katoa.